Welcome, wealthy people. Do you need some money? Are you ready to finally get approved for that personal loan after getting denied over and over again? In this video, I'll be talking about the 3 easiest personal loans you can get as soon as tomorrow. Yup, you heard it. These loans can be available to you as soon as the next business day. Watch this video till the end to get all the details on how you can receive extra cash fast for a small or large amount depending on your needs. Keep in mind that even people with challenged credit scores will qualify for these loans, so it's okay to get excited. Let's get right into it. Sometimes we're a little behind on bills, or just simply need a cash advance to help us get through the month. The Bridget app can help you get up to $250 in just 2 minutes. To access this app, you must get the app on your phone. You cannot access this app online. If you go onto the Bridget website, it'll prompt you to share your phone number so they can text you the link to the app. Bridget will loan you some money and help you build your credit all in one place. And the best part? There is no credit check required or any interest associated with your advance, which makes it very easy to get approved. However, there is a very small monthly fee of $10 that you will be charged for every month you decide to utilize their service until canceled. If you decide to cancel in the middle of the month, you will still get charged for that month. You should cancel immediately after the charge from whichever month you are currently in. The first step and only step to getting this loan is to have a checking account. If you don't have one, you cannot receive the cash. The Bridget app wants to see that you are using your checking account every day for a couple of weeks to satisfy the sufficient checking account activity requirements. Your checking account must have at least 60 days of activity. If you just open your account, you will have to wait until your account is 60 days old. Once it's 60 days old, you must wait 1 business day to finally get signed up, and your account must have a balance greater than 0. Last but not least, you must have at least 3 recurring deposits from the same employer or deposit source to qualify for this cash. ATM deposits, paper checks, cash transfers, or paychecks with irregular pay schedules do not qualify at this time. So, basically, if you do not have a job, don't sign up. After receiving this cash, you will be expected to pay it back on the scheduled due date every month you borrow. Need an extension? No problem. The Bridget app lets you reschedule your payment due date when you use the extension in the app. Note that you can only use this extension up until 3 p.m. Eastern Time, the business day before your advance is due. So, if your cash advance is due on May 31st, you should have your extension in by 3 p.m. Eastern Time on May 30th. If you are just unable to repay your cash advance and are too late for the extension, they will wait until the payment is marked as failed before arranging a new due date that works better for you. If you just need to split your payments up into smaller increments, you can contact support to get in touch with their customer care team for this matter. The best thing about the Bridget app is that they will never charge you a late fee or penalize you for being late on a payment. On the credit builder side of things, Bridget gives you the opportunity to build while you save. When you open a credit builder account with them, which is separate from the cash advance account, they'll arrange a 12 to 24 month loan for you. In your credit builder account, you can choose to set aside as little as $1 a month to get to your goal. So just sit back and watch your credit increase for just a small investment each month. Just like Bridget, Grain is another app that allows you to get cash in just a few minutes with no credit check. The downside to Grain is that it's only available to iPhone users. People with Androids have to sign up for the wait list. With Grain, after you link your checking account to the app, they're going to analyze your cash flow and payment schedules from your employer. After seeing how much money is coming into your account, Grain will give you a line of credit based on what they see. The highest line of credit that Grain will give you is $1,000. After using whatever they give you for the advance, you just have to pay it back within a month. It's recommended that you pay it earlier than that because unlike Bridget, Grain does accrue interest. If you have auto payments set up, your APR will be 12%, and if not, it would be whatever they choose, which will be higher than the 12% auto payment APR. So try it out and see what you get approved for. If the 2 previous loans are just not enough money, and you're looking for a loan that gives you more than that, the best personal loan company to help you with that is Opportune. This company allows you to get affordable and quick personal loans. It's another loan that you can get approved for even if you have limited credit history. If the information in this video has been of great use to you so far, I want you to stop what you're doing and please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks on how to get and stay wealthy. Let us know in the comment section below which of these loans worked best for you and how much you got approved for. If you're looking for a loan within the ranges of $300 to $10,000 to help you build credit or to fund any kind of emergency you may have, Opportune is the loan for you. It allows you to get pre-qualified with a soft pull within minutes, which will not hurt your credit score after putting in your application. If you're approved during the regular work week, which is Monday through Friday, you can expect to get same-day funding. When approved, they'll let you know if you've been approved for a personal or secured loan. The APRs are capped at 36%. So, when you're approved with a low credit score, just expect for your APR to be more on the higher side. Just use this opportunity to build your credit so you can qualify for lower APRs in the future. If you use Opportune more than once, you can expect your rates to be lower than the first time if you are in good standing with them. If you are not approved for the unsecured personal loan, they will approve you for a secured loan, which allows you to use a car that you own as collateral. During your application, in order to get approval, they will ask you for a valid ID, proof of income, proof of address, and up to 4 references for the unsecured personal loan. For the secured loan, you'll need your vehicle's title, registration, driver's license, and a few pictures of your car. To start your application today, just click on the Get Started tab at the top of the Opportune website. They will give you the option to apply in person, online, or over the phone. So please call if online just isn't enough and you have more questions. When applying online, the application consists of general information, finance, and income info. And then you finalize your application and get pre-qualified. Once you accept the loan, you will receive a hard check, but you will receive what you were pre-qualified for. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the information in this video, please comment below and I will respond. Subscribe and start your question with "I subscribed" so that your question could be featured in detail in my next video.